Arabic made easy. Can you equals
هل تستطيع؟
welcome. Hey you, welcome. Let's have fun and learn fast today. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and freebies. Today's superpower phrase is, can you? That's
هل تستطيع؟
Stick around for jokes, drills, and a quick quiz. Ready? Let's roll. Your goal today. In one bite-sized session, you'll nail one pattern you can use everywhere. Goal. Use.
هل تستطيع؟
To ask for help politely. Example. Can you help me with this?
هل تستطيع مساعدتي؟
Pro tip. Smile, add please.
من فضلك.
Pronunciation and forms. Say it with me, nice and clear. Core question.
هل تستطيع؟
Break the rhythm. Hal, tush, ta, ti. Useful requests. Can you help me?
هل تستطيع مساعدتي؟
Can you open the door?
هل تستطيع فتح الباب؟
Can you carry this bag?
هل تستطيع حمل هذه الحقيبة؟
Can you fix the laptop?
هل تستطيع إصلاح الحاسوب؟
Variations you'll hear. Can I?
هل أستطيع؟
Can he?
هل يستطيع؟
Can't you? Gentle.
ألا تستطيع؟
Replies. Yes, I can.
نعم، أستطيع.
Sorry, I can't.
آسف، لا أستطيع.
Mini dialogue. Listen in and then echo what you hear. A. Can you pass the salt, please? In Arabic.
هل تستطيع تمرير الملح؟ من فضلك.
B. Sure, here you go.
تفضل.
A. Thanks. Also, can you open the door for the cat? It's clearly the boss.
هل تستطيع فتح الباب للقطة؟
B. The cat says, finally. Rhythm drill. Clap or tap along. Your mouth will remember the beat. Beat it in fours. Hal, tush, ta, ti. Again. Hal, tush, ta, ti. Call and response. I say, can you help? You say.
هل تستطيع المساعدة؟
I say, can you come earlier tomorrow? You say.
هل تستطيع المجيء غدا مبكرا؟
I say, can you carry this? You say.
هل تستطيع حمل هذا؟
Culture tip. Sound extra polite with one tiny add-on. In many Arabic-speaking homes and shops, adding please softens the request.
من فضلك.
To a man, or
من فضلك.
to a woman. Example.
هل تستطيع فتح الباب؟ من فضلك.
Polite words, big smiles. Quick quiz. Test time, super short, super sweet. 1. How do you say, can you? In Arabic? Answer.
هل تستطيع؟
2. Fill the blank. Underscore underscore underscore. Answer.
هل تستطيع؟
3. True or false.
هل تستطيع؟
Means, I can. Answer. False. I can, is.
أستطيع.
Your turn. 10-second challenge. Ready to speak out loud? Go for it. Create your own line with the pattern. For example, can you fix it?
هل تستطيع إصلاحه؟
Can you show me the way?
هل تستطيع أن ترشدني؟
Say 3 of your own right now using.
هل تستطيع؟
Wrap up. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
هل تستطيع؟
With real tasks today, ask to open a door, carry a bag, or fix a setting. For transcripts, drills, and more beginner Arabic, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.